Welcome to the CoPOS Customer to Member Conversion video. CoPOS supports both a member and a customer database. Members are shoppers who have paid dues or are in the process of paying dues and are owners of the store. Customers are not owners of the store, but need to be in the database because they still may be offered the opportunity to make special orders, use gift cards, or be part of an incentive program. If a customer decides to become a member, it is good to know that they can do so seamlessly and that the necessary data will make the transition. We are going to enter a special order for a customer, Weldon Banks, receive the items, convert him to a member, then at the register enter his name and demonstrate that the special order successfully migrated with his customer to member conversion. We'll enter to go back to the main menu, then type 5 to get to the special order menu, and type 1, enter in order. In the customer field, we will type Banks. We see members with the last name of Banks, but we don't see Weldon, so we arrow down to select a customer. We'll press enter to select Weldon. We'll select 5, proceed with special order entry, and we'll enter A and choose the first item in the box. Quantity 1, enter, record order, yes, receive all items, quit. Now let's convert Weldon Banks from a customer to a member. We'll go back to the main menu and go into option 4.4, the member database, and select add. Now we enter C stands for customer, Banks. CoPOS finds the customer Weldon Banks and prompts us for a member number. If we are okay with CoPOS choosing the next available number, we press enter. Change the membership type. We'll say we're okay with this default membership type by selecting no. Weldon Banks' name, address, phone, and email are brought over automatically, so we can press enter through those. Check with your supervisor for filling out fields 11 through 17. For the purposes of this video, we will keep entering through until field 16. We'll type N in field 16. Mr. Banks is going to pay in full today, so we'll select yes, cash, add this member dues payment of $200 to the till, yes. Field 17. We'll press enter for the default maximum IOU balance of $100. Again, check with your supervisor for filling in fields 11 through 17. If everything looks good, we'll select save and continue. Please collect $200. Enter, 0 to quit, enter to quit, enter. Now we are at the main menu. Let's go into the register and see if we get a notice that a special order is in for member Weldon Banks. For customers, we'd have to type C/ before the name, but since Mr. Banks is a member now, we'll just type Banks, Weldon. Yes, the order made the migration from customer Weldon Banks to member Weldon Banks. Let's escape to the main menu. Thank you for watching the CoPOS Customer to Member Conversion video.